to Jill for today. I am making a creamy aioli with sriracha. Now, if you don't like sriracha, don't go running away because you can make this without sriracha. It'll be just delicious. And it is plant-based. That's what it is. It's tofu. I'll show you the ingredients, but it's all plant-based. It's creamy, it's delicious, and it's going to be a great dressing for anything that you might want to dip or sauce over, like if you had vegetables you wanted to dip or you wanted to put it over a salad or whatever you might like. So I'm going to bring you down, I'm going to show you the ingredients, and then we're going to get started. All right, in the beaker of my Vitamix, I have a carton of soft tofu. This is the silken, so it's very soft, very creamy. So I've got that in there. And then I have, because it's an aioli, I have some fresh garlic. And I have the sriracha, which we've not tried this brand before. It'll be interesting to see how it tastes, how, you know, hot it is. I've got some salt and pepper, a little bit of apple cider vinegar to give it a little tang, some dried mustard, dried onion, and I also have some, these are cashews, raw cashews that I've soaked for 2 hours. So I'm going to put those in there right now while I have them there. Okay, and this again, this is, you know, one of these recipes is so darn easy. We'll get started on it. All right, so in my beaker I have the tofu and I have the cashews that were soaked. I'm putting in the garlic, which I just roughly chopped. I didn't put whole cloves in there. And there is the apple cider vinegar. And I'm going to put a pinch of salt. Salt's such a, you know, a personal thing. So I'm just going to put maybe a quarter of a teaspoon in there. And then the same goes with the black pepper. I'm going to put probably about a quarter teaspoon of that in there. And those are nice things that, you know, of course you can vary, you know, how much you want after tasting. And then I'm going to put a half a teaspoon of the dried mustard in there. And a half teaspoon of the onion powder. Okay, and then I'm going to put in, because we are not familiar with this brand of sriracha, and I don't want to make a horrible mistake, I'm going to put in 1 teaspoon. And I'll taste it and see if it needs any more. But sriracha, you know, you can get in trouble with that if you're not careful. All right, I'm going to put the lid on this, get it started, and once it's all pureed, I'll bring you back. Okay, there it is, nice and creamy, nice and creamy. I'm going to take a little taste of this now, see how we're doing with my main concern is the heat. Okay, let's take a taste. Wow. It really can use more sriracha. I was afraid of it, you know, because, let me give it a second here. It's pretty spicy. Yeah, I think I'm going to hold off on that because it's sitting on my tongue. It's starting to pick up some heat. So I'm going to just let that sit. The rest of it is delicious. All those spices that are in there and the apple cider vinegar and the garlic, everything tastes really good. So I'm going to put this in the refrigerator and let it chill, and that garlic will have a chance to, you know, mingle in there, and then we'll bring it out and we will have a sample of it. It's, oh, that sriracha, not too much. I think I did really good on that. So when we are ready to take a taste of this, we will be back. It is tasting time, and I have got this dip cold. I'm calling it a sriracha aioli. The director has not tasted it, nor does he know anything about the dip. Now what I've done is just slice some cold cucumbers. He is off camera today, but he's going to taste it. And what I've done is I've just taken a cucumber, see there? There you go. You tell me what you think of that. I'm gonna have one too. Creamy enough? Enough heat? Ooh.
Not enough heat.
Not enough heat for you. We really feel it in the back though.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I like a little.
Yes.
I still like a little more heat as I'm tasting it in my mouth, but it is good. It's very good. That'd be good on anything.
Vegetables, maybe as a creamy thing for a salad.
Oh yeah.
Potato.
Over some steamed vegetables.
Wow. Broccoli. Okay, my love, are you ready?
Ready for what?
This is vegan.
No.
This is plant-based.
What a dirty trick.
See him behind the camera. You really are surprised, aren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a tofu.
No mayonnaise.
No mayonnaise.
Oh.
It's tofu and some raw cashews that I have soaked, and then the seasonings.
Tofu.
I know. Who would have thought?
I like tofu.
I know you do, but you don't particularly like these kinds of faux dips. So
That's very good.
I'm very happy that.
I'd take another.
Oh, God, he's going to take another one. Now, what I'm going to do with this dip,
with that sauce.
what I'm going to do with this is I have some broccolini that I have, and you should see the face, broccolini. Will you eat it?
I was the one who picked it out at the store.
You were? Okay, all right. I mean, I've cooked up some broccolini, just steamed it quickly, and I think I'm going to, I don't want to heat this sauce. I think you don't want to heat it, but I think you want to maybe make it a little more room temperature. And once I've done that, we will take a taste of it, and we'll bring it back so you can see how it tastes on a hot vegetable. Yes, my love?
I bet it'd be dynamite on some broccoli, not broccoli, but asparagus.
Definitely, definitely. And you know, if you wanted it a little cheesy, you could throw some nutritional yeast in there. So you're gonna give it a kind of that cheesy thing. Anyway, that's it for now. We're gonna do the broccolini thing, so we have a wide variety of how this can be used, but I'm so happy to hear he likes it and that it's plant-based, and he's gonna go. All right, we'll see you soon. Are you ready to taste this? The mystery man behind the camera? Okay. All right, let me get you a bite of this. And I'll get a bite of it myself. Here you go. Honesty, gotta have honesty. What do you think of that? Yes. You don't want any more sriracha in that.
Except for the heat, though. The broccolini overpowers the sauce, I think.
Yeah, it does. It's a strong, excuse me, it is a stronger flavor. It's not the sauce's fault, it's the broccolini's fault.
Yeah, the sauce is good.
So good.
The sauce is very good.
Works really well on vegetable.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I think you're right about the broccolini. In fact, do you think that tastes stronger than broccoli?
I do.
I do too.
Yeah.
I think it has a stronger flavor.
Yeah. But it's good quality broccolini. It's organic and everything.
I just think it's got a little stronger flavor. Well, all right then. The sauce is a success. Not necessarily on broccoli.
Not easy to say.
Yeah, but that dipping the vegetables, that cucumber in there. Oh man, was that good. All right, everybody. Thanks a lot for watching. Tell your friends, subscribe, make some really great food out there. I'll keep making some videos of low cal, low fat. We're gonna eat real good this year. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.